Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks if you are a virtual assistant. So QuickBooks is one of the most common tool clients use for bookkeeping, invoicing, and reports. So as a virtual assistant, your job is not to be an accountant, but to keep records clean, updated, and organized. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this one. So first is you just have to log in to your QuickBooks account. So just open any other web browser, and then if you don't have an account yet, so just have to sign up for one. Okay, so after logging into QuickBooks Online, you'll see the dashboard in the left menu. Okay, and then here, as you can see, you can create your invoice, expense, and more. So as a VA, you will most likely to work in bank transactions, sales, expenses, and reports. So these are the areas your clients usually assign to you. So for the client, for this one, just have to simply click on the transaction, then bank transaction. Okay, so let's just go here to our transaction. So this one, that's right. So here you review uploaded bank feeds. Your task is to match, categorize, or add transactions correctly. So you select a transaction, choose the correct category, and then just have to click on the add option. So this gets the books updated and saves your client time. So you just have to connect the account right here. Okay, so next, for the next one, we have the sales, then invoices. So it goes to the sales and get paid. So let's just go to the overview. So here you can create invoices. That's right. You can send them to your customers or check the unpaid invoices if the client has recurring clients. You may also help manage recurring invoices, so billing happens automatically. So if you would like to, add a customer's product or service, so you just have to go here. Then here you also have your invoices. So to create a new one, you just have to simply tap on the create invoice. Now for the expenses and bill payments, just have to go to the expenses. Okay, so let's just go here to the expenses and bills. So here you record the bills, track your expenses, and attach receipts. So your job is to make sure that the expenses are recorded under the correct category so reports stay accurate. So you just have to go here if you would like to create a new transactions. So you just have to simply tap on the new transaction option. And then finally, you just have to tap on the reports. Okay, so let me just find the reports right here. Okay, so for this one, just go to the reports, and then we have the standard reports, the custom reports, management reports, and the financial planning. So here, common reports you pull as a VA are profit and loss. So let's just go here to the standard reports. So we also have the expenses by vendor and accounts receivable. So you just have to always double check your work and never guess categories and ask the client if you are unsure. So you have here, for example, we have the profit and loss meant. Okay, so just have to tap on it. Again, as a virtual assistant, QuickBooks helps you become more valuable by handling bookkeeping support professionally. So you don't need to be an accountant, just accurate, organized, and consistent. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.